So, ito yung first problem natin. Mobile One marketing strategy. Maria is the marketing manager for Mobile One and is planning a promotional campaign, a mall tour, or a pub crawl. She learned that Mobile One main competitor ConnectAll is sponsoring either a music festival or a tech conference. If Mobile One does a mall tour, it will earn 11,000. If ConnectAll sponsor a music fest, or if $3,000 sponsor a tech conference. If Mobile One does a pub crawl, it will earn $12,000 if ConnectAll sponsor a music festival, or lose $10,000 if ConnectAll sponsors a tech conference. So, yung tanong is, what should Maria marketing strategy be? What profit or loss can she expect? What should ConnectAll strategy be? So, next slide is yung mag-compute na po tayo. So, first is, ito yung table natin for Mobile One strategy and ConnectAll strategy. So, first is, kukunin natin yung strategy domination. First is, kukunin natin yung max ng dalawang, nung sa Mobile One strategy and ConnectAll. First max is 11 and 10. So, ano mas mataas sa kanila? 11. Next is, yung max naman sa 3 and negative 12. So, 3. Next is yung minimum naman. Next is 11 and 3. Next is 10 and negative 12. So, ano mas mababa dito? 3. And dito naman is negative 12. So, after natin makuha to, i-input naman natin siya dito sa table. So, yung nakuha nating max na 11 and 3, ilalagay natin siya dito sa baba. Ayan, 11 and 3. So, next naman, yung nakuha nating minimum na 3 and negative 12, ilalagay natin siya dito. So, after natin makuha nun, yung nakuha nating 11, ito. So, if Mobile One launch mall tour, yon, mag-gain sila ng 11, and yung ConnectAll naman is maglo-loss ng 11. Tapos, next is, ito naman, yung sa 3. Tapos, lalagay lang natin pati itong minimal loss. So, saan nakatapat yung sa, yung 11 and 3? Dito sa mall tour. So, ilalagay natin na strategy ng Mobile One is yung mall tour parehas. Kasi, ito, nakatapat siya sa mall tour. So, yung dito naman, saan nakatapat yung 3 and negative 12? Sa tech conference. So, ang magiging strategy niya is tech conference parehas. Kasi magka-line naman. So, ilalagay natin yung dominated sa Mobile One, which is yung pub crawl, kasi parehas nating napili yung mall tour, di ba? So, ang guguhitan natin yung pub crawl. Yan. Then, yung na-dominate naman sa ConnectAll is yung music fest. Bakit music fest yung na-dominate? Kasi, di ba, parehas nating napili yung tech conference. Yun, kaya nagkaroon ng cross. So, after natin makuha yun, ito, di ba? Isa na lang yung natira. Lalagay na natin yung final strategy, which is ito. So, ibig sabihin na ito, Mobile One, if Mobile One launch mall tour, magigain sila ng $3,000, and yung ConnectAll naman is magkakaroon ng loss, which is $3,000 din. So, ang magiging strategy, ang final strategy ng Mobile One is yung mall tour, and final strategy ng ConnectAll is yung tech conference. So, ayun. Di ba isa na lang ang natira sa kanila sa isang brand na yon, isa lang yung natira. So ibig sabihin nun, pure strategy sila kasi yun nga, isa nga lang yung natira. So after nun is gagawa na tayo ng conclusion. Pagkagawa ng conclusion is ito na. Maria should launch mall tour for Mobile One and expect a gain of $3,000, while ConnectAll should launch tech conference at a loss of $3,000. Since each player is left with one strategy, this is a pure strategy. So, yun nga, di ba? Yun, ito yung conclusion natin. Maria should launch, yun, and mag-expect siya ng gain $3,000, while yung ConnectAll is maglo-loss siya ng $3,000. So, yun na yung final. And that's all.